Imagine making $5,000 a month while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to create passive income streams that can generate this life-changing amount in 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss a second of this. Hi, and welcome to Passive Earner. If you're looking for practical ways to make passive income, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share actionable ideas to help you earn $5,000 per month in passive income. These methods are beginner-friendly and perfect for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. So grab a notepad because we're diving straight into the first step. Step 1. Create digital products. Our first idea is creating digital products. Now, what exactly does that mean? Digital products are things you can sell online like books, online courses, design templates, or even printables. Here's why this works so well. You invest your time upfront to create something valuable, and then you can sell it over and over again without any extra effort. For example, if you're skilled at graphic design, you could create Canva templates and sell them on platforms like Etsy. Let's say you spend 20 hours creating a digital planner and price it at $15. If you sell just 10 copies a week, that's $150. Multiply that over a month, and you've already made $600 from one product. Not a designer, no problem. Think about what skills or knowledge you have. Are you great at teaching? Consider creating an online course. Love writing? Try publishing a short ebook. There's a market for nearly every niche. Quick tip to get started, check out platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even Udemy. These make it easy to upload and sell your products. The more valuable your product, the more consistent your income will be. Step 2. Invest in dividend stocks. Next up is dividend stocks, a classic but powerful way to generate passive income. If you're new to investing, let me break it down for you. Dividend-paying companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders. For instance, if you own shares of a company like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, you'll receive regular payouts just for holding onto those shares. Sounds pretty great, right? Here's an example. Imagine you invest $5,000 in a company that pays a 4% annual dividend. That's $200 per year in passive income without any extra work. And if you reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, your earnings compound over time. You don't need to be a stock market expert to start. Apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Fidelity make it super simple. Begin with a small amount, research stable companies, and keep adding to your portfolio over time. Pro tip: look for dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have consistently increased their dividends for at least 25 years. They're reliable and a great choice for beginners. Step 3. Rent out assets. Do you have a spare room, an extra car, or even just a parking space you're not using? Renting out assets you already own can be a fantastic way to earn passive income. For example, if you have a guest room, listing it on Airbnb could bring in a few $100s a month. Don't have a room to spare? Think about renting out your car on platforms like Turo. Many people are earning money by renting out their vehicles when they're not using them. Even smaller things can make you money, like renting out your driveway for parking near busy areas. The idea here is to make money from what you already have. It's simple and effective. Future trends. In 2025, the demand for short-term rentals is expected to grow even more, especially in suburban and rural areas. This means more opportunities for you to earn without much competition. Step 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income online. It's perfect if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or even an active social media account. Here's how it works. You partner with companies to promote their products or services. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Let's say you're into fitness and recommend workout gear. You can sign up for Amazon Associates, create links to your favorite items, and share them in your blog posts or YouTube videos. Each time someone buys through your link, you get paid. the best part. You don't need to create your own product or handle customer service. It's all about sharing things you genuinely love and helping others find them. Getting started, sign up for affiliate programs like ClickBank, ShareSale, or Amazon Associates. Then, focus on building trust with your audience. The more helpful your recommendations, the more likely people are to buy. Step 5. Build a niche website. Finally, let's talk about building a niche website. This might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think. A niche website focuses on a specific topic like pet care, home gardening, or budget travel. Here's how it works. You create content that attracts visitors, and then you monetize that traffic through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. For example, if you love pets, you could write articles about pet care tips, recommend pet products, and earn commissions through affiliate marketing. It takes time to build an audience, but once your site gets traction, it becomes a reliable source of passive income. Getting started, use platforms like WordPress or Wix to set up your website. Focus on publishing high-quality, valuable content consistently. The key is to pick a niche you're passionate about so you stay motivated. So there you have it, 5 solid strategies to earn $5,000 a month in passive income in 2025. Remember, passive income takes effort up front, but the rewards can completely transform your financial future. Which of these ideas resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Passive Earners for more tips on building financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.